case because of any network issue or any problem, you can log in again. Okay. So, yeah, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Yes. So, children, today we are going to take a combined class with 4B and 4C. Okay. There is no problem now. So, 4B, you just sit, listen what I am explaining to 4C, because you have already understood in the last class what the topic which we are going to do today. So just listen and see, and then we will continue with the topics. Okay. And let me ask now, the chance will go to the 4C students. I will ask from 4C students. Okay. So children, now open the page number 35 in your textbook, everyone.
Ma'am,
Page
I'll pick up
number
page number 35.
Page number 35, everyone. I'm going to present my screen and I will show you what I am discussing about. Yes, Aradhya, can you tell me what is written on page number 35?
Yes, ma'am. From Push and
First of all,
Shakya,
read the name, read the number of the chapter, read the name of the chapter.
the chapter number is 4. Tick, tick, tick.
Okay. Now my next question is from Manya. Manya, can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me why the name of this chapter is Tick, Tick, Tick?
Ma'am, because it is of a timing, and in the clock, when the hands move, the voice comes like tick, tick, tick.
Very good,
So
very good.
chapter name is
Excellent, excellent answer. Children, when you see this, what is in my hand?
clock. It's a clock, ma'am. Clock.
A clock is there in my hand. So when I put it near to my ear, I can listen a voice. Tick, tick, tick. This voice is of the movement of hands. This voice is of the movements of
Clock of hands.
hands.
Clock hands.
Hands are moving. So what do you mean by the hands? They are having hands like us?
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
There's next question is from Jigar Singh. Jigar Singh is there at his place?
Yes, ma'am.
Jigar Singh, as the word hands I have used for the clock. So what do you mean by the word hands here in the clock? They are having the hands same like us?
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, it's a long.
Look, see here. What are the hands here?
Ma'am, it is like this.
Jigar Singh will tell me.
Yes. Ma'am,
What are
it's
the
like
hands in the clock?
straight line.
Yeah, these arrows, these are the hands in the clock. So we will learn what is the role of these hands. That also we will learn in the next. Now I want to show you one image. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am. I see these clocks.
There are, what do you observe here? When you see here, students, what do you observe in this picture? Tell me. Next. Can I call the child name? Wait, let me call Kashvi. Kashvi Bhutra. Kashvi, when you see this picture, when my cursor is moving, what do you see here? What have you observed when you see this? What it is here? Which pictures are here?
Ma'am, it is the clock pictures.
Are all same?
No.
Why all are not same?
Ma'am, because different type of clock has different hands and their shape.
They have different shape. Is the hands also different in that?
No. No.
Okay.
No.
If the shape, my question is from Moksha Shah. Moksha, if the shape
Ma'am,
of the,
can I say one thing?
Wait, Kashvi. Let me ask from Moksha now. Moksha, if there are different shapes of a clock, rectangle, circle, okay,
Yes.
And the clock in your hand also, wall clock also. Are they showing different times?
No, ma'am. They are same.
Same. So it means we can say there is no effect of the shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Whether it is triangle, whether it is circle, whether it is oval, in any shape, but they show the same timing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you agree with this, that they showed same timing in the different shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My next question is from Niva Kacharia. Niva, in olden days, when there was no clock,
Yes.
how people were used to see the timing?
From the sun, when the sun gets to, when the sun, they get to see the time, the sun, when the sun comes.
They see the movement of the sun, and
Yes.
accordingly they see the
Yes.
timing. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will continue.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. Now I'm going to show you the chapter here. Can any child read for me what is written here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Tell me.
Ma'am, I can read.
Tell me your name also first.
Ma'am, Aradhya. Ma'am,
No,
Niva.
my question now. Vihan Dobaria is there in the class.
Yes.
Vihan, start reading.
Pump shop and
Pamposh.
and Shazia were
Shazia.
were discussing whose home is further from school.
So can you see the dialogue boxes are made here? So this is Pamposh and this is Shazia. They are discussing. There is some discussion going on between these two friends. So what Pamposh is saying, can you read, Vihan?
I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school.
Wait. Next child. No. I will call the child name. That child. No, I will call the child. Let me talk with this child. Divit. Yes, Divit. Continue.
I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school.
So Pamposh is saying I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. Then Shazia is saying I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Now see their conversation, what is going on the next page. Pamposh is saying you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. Then Shazia is saying how I am wrong. I am correct. I said 7. It's 2 minutes past from 7. Can you see these thin lines between the numbers? Then Shazia is saying, yes, so what? अगर line है तो उसका क्या use है? The minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12, so it is 10 minutes past 7, or we can call it as 7:10. I start for school at 7. I reach at 7:05. See, the minute hand moves across 5 lines. Pamposh is saying that I also start from 7, and then when the minute hand reaches 5, then I call it as 7:05. I cannot call it as 7:1. Why? Now see the difference. So now children, you tell me, is Pamposh was right to see the timing, or
Yes.
or the Shazia is right to see the timing?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, who was right? Vedant, who was right?
Pamposh was
Pamposh. Hare, who was next? Let me call the dial name. Granth, who was right? I request everyone. Yeah, Granth, you tell me who was right. Shazia was right or Pamposh was right?
Pamposh.
Pamposh. Very good. Now mute your mic, everyone. Now, children, I'll see this clock. This clock is having how many hands? Viva will tell me. Viva Patel. How many hands this clock is having?
3 hands.
3 hands. So can you tell me what is the work of each hand? I will ask from next child. Arush, no. Moksha,
Yes.
what is the role of small hand, short hand in this?
Ma'am, the shorthand shows us the hour.
Okay. Jigar Singh, the long
Yes.
hand shows us the...
Seconds.
There are 2 long hands.
Yeah.
One which is moving very fast is the second hand. But the one which is moving slow is the minutes hand. So when I am talking about these hands which are moving slow, so shorthand is the hour hand. Mute yourself, Jigar Singh, first. There are 2 hands which are moving slow and the third hand which is moving fast. So the hand which is moving fast, Anne, the hand which is moving very fast, एक आप आई ब्लिंक करोगे ना तो वो पूरा राउंड काट लेती है. So what that hand called?
Second hand.
Second hand. And out of the other 2 hands, Tej Kumar, out of the other 2 hands, which is the long hand called?
Ma'am, first hand.
First hand and second hand. You will call it like this. The hands you have left and right. You will call it like this. See. Let me raise this and tell you. There are 3 total hands in the clock. So in some clocks you will get the second hands, or in some clocks you will not get the second hands. But how you will recognize that which is the second hand? The second hand, Vihan Vyas. How you will recognize? आप कैसे पहचानोगे कि कौन सा second hand है clock के अंदर? Vihan Vyas, tell me fast. Niva.
Yes.
How will you recognize that which is the second hand in the clock?
The bigger second hand will be the bigger one. The
Bigger to do hai. As I told you, minute hand is also bigger. The second hand is also bigger. But how you will find in the clock which is the second hand?
Can I say?
Yes, Rajiv Nakhre. Rajiv Nakhre. How you will find which is...
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Okay. Log out, but you will, when you log out, you will not able to log in. So sit. Manya, how you will find out which is the second hand in the clock?
Ma'am, which rotates very fast.
Yes, which is moving or rotating very fast. That is the second hand. Because as I told you, the minute hand and the second hand both are long. But how you will find the difference between them? Second hand is moving very fast and the minute hand is moving slow. Okay. For example, if the minute hand is on 12, the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 3. So what time this clock is showing? I will ask from the child. That child will only answer me. Rajiv Nakhre, what time this clock is showing?
Yes, ma'am.
I have done the hands. I have made the hands here on the clock. Now, can you tell me what time this clock is showing?
3 o'clock.
Very good. Yes, Tej Kumar, what time it is showing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kashmi.
Ma'am, can you please take your camera a little bit right?
Now check.
Now it is perfect.
Clearly visible? Okay. Now again I will change the shorthand and I will put it here on the 5. Now next child, Niva, what time this clock is showing?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So always remember, when it is o'clock time, the long hand will always on 12 and the short hand will be on any number. So if we keep the long hand is always on 12 and we just change the short hand, so we read the number first and we say o'clock. So what is the time this clock is showing?
9.
9 o'clock. Yes. And you know, from 9 o'clock when it go to 10 o'clock, how many hours it is passing?
Ma'am, 1 hour.
1 hour passing.
60
From 10 o'clock, from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock it is then going. So how many hours it passed? 1 hour passed?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
1 hour, how many minutes it is covering?
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Because how 60 minutes? Because when you start from 12 and when the long hand will go on 1, 5 minutes. It passed 5 minutes. How many minutes? When you count the small lines in between, there are total 5 lines in between from 1 minute to the another minute. From 12 to 1, it is when the long hand is moving, it is crossing 5 minutes. When it is going from 1 to 2, how many minutes have passed?
Ma'am, 10.
10. So have you noticed any pattern, any table is going on?
Ice table.
Yes, table of 5 is going. So when the long hand from 2 to 5 it will move, or sorry, 2 to 3 it will move. How many minutes have passed? 15 minutes. From 3 to 4 it will go how many minutes?
20.
20. From 4 to 5 and it will go how many minutes?
25.
From 5 to 6 when it go how many minutes?
30.
From 6 to 7 it will go how many minutes?
25.
And so on. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So when it covers the complete 16 minutes, then only the hour change from 9 to 10 or 3 to 4 or then only the hour change. Got it everyone? So that is why we call 1 hour is having how many minutes? Hour hand तभी change होगा, तभी पूरा move होगा 9 से 10. जब तक ये जो minutes hand था पूरा cover नहीं हो जाता. Clear? When, for example, it has started from here. For example, I'll show you on the clock. Right now, I am doing from the back only from the battery side. Suppose what time it is showing here on the clock.
Ma'am, 2 o'clock.
What time it is showing?
2 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, thank you. How you read that 2? It is showing 2 o'clock because you need to see the shorthand. Shorthand is on 2 and the longhand is on 12. So it is 2 o'clock. Now, when it moves from 2 to 3, now check how slowly it will move first. But I am moving it faster right now because I'm showing you. But when it is done practically, it will take complete 1 hour, means complete movement till the 12 when it will reach all the 60 minutes when it will cover. Then only the hour hand is shifting from 2 to 3. Have you checked that?
Yes,
Yes or no? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is 3 o'clock. Now what time it is?
3 o'clock. 3 5.
No. 3 5. Now 3:15. Nishwa, what time it is now?
4 o'clock.
No. Short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 4.
3:20.
3:20. Dania, what is the time now?
Ma'am, 3:25.
Bhavya Sagar, what is the time now?
4:30.
How it is 4:30? It is not, the hour hand is not exactly on 4. अभी तक 4 पे आया नहीं है. It is in between 3 and 4. When the average is between 3 and 4, we will read the before number. We will not read 4. We will read 330. What we will say?
330.
330. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you off Rajveer Mukhare's mic?
Yes. Thank you. It is 330. When again it will move to here. Now Mohammed Momin, what time it is showing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want to pin. Yes. It is time showing 3 o'clock and 7. 3 o'clock
So
and
you will read it 35. You will not say 7. Yes, 35. So you said 335. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next child, Arush Miani. What time this is showing?
Ma'am, your watch is looking
Now
very
visible?
small.
Now, when you pin me.
Okay, ma'am.
Faster. Fast, Arush.
Yes, ma'am, I pinned you.
Yeah, now tell
Ma'am,
me what time.
Ma'am, 4 hours.
No, it is not 4. It is still in between 3 and 4. When it completely, yes, it is 340. 340. Not 440. When the short end is in between the numbers, so you read the before number, not the after number. You will read 3, not 4. Got it, everyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in 1 hour there are 1,200 seconds, no?
In 3,600 seconds. So now, mute yourself, everyone. Arush, mute yourself. As we have learned, in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, how many seconds? 60
seconds.
Seconds. And in 1 hour, how many seconds? In 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many seconds? 1 hour, 1 minute.
36 seconds. Ma'am, I forget and do it in like 6 twos apps.
1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour is having 60 minutes, right? 1 hour. So 60 seconds multiplied by 60 minutes is equals to 3,600 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. I forget and
Is there any child facing difficulty that in 1 hour, how 3,600 seconds?
No, ma'am.
Because in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60 is 3,600 seconds. Now, for minutes, M-I-N-U-T-E-S, minutes, we write M-I-N, minute short form. H-O-U-R-S, for hours, we write H-R short form. And for seconds, we write S-E-C short form. These are the short form of these minutes, hours, and seconds. Now, 3 more different terms I want to explain you that. Grade 4B also pay attention on that. 4B and 4C, both of them.
Ma'am, Pritika can't hear you.
Tell Pritika, but Pritika, if she will leave, then she will face the difficulty. Now listen here. You have learned these terms. Quarter to, quarter past.
Ma'am, we have learned. Yes, ma'am.
Quarter to, quarter past, and half past.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have learned. Ma'am, it's like 3 half past.
Let me explain first, because many of you maybe don't know. Am I clearly audible to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Okay. quarter to means there are still, quarter means we are talking about 15 minutes. Quarter means we are talking about how many minutes? 15
minutes.
And half means we are talking about how many minutes?
30 minutes. 30.
30 minutes. Half of 1 hour is 30 minutes, right? So
Yes.
quarter of 1 hour mean quarter of 60 minutes is what? Quarter means what? 1/4? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Quarter
Yes,
is-
ma'am.
Am I clearly visible and audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So quarter means 15 minutes and half means 30 minutes. So if I say the time is quarter past 3 means quarter past 3 means how you will show this time in the clock. Quarter past 3 means क्या time हुआ होगा clock के अंदर?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
3:15.
Yes. Quarter past 3 means 3 के बाद 15 minutes और pass हो गए हैं. Can you understand this language, students? Quarter past 3 minutes, 15 minutes have passed after 3. How many minutes have passed after 3?
15.
15 minutes have passed after 3. Wait a minute.
Quarter to 15. Ma'am, quarter past is 45 minutes, no? 45.
40?
Quarter past is, I know, 45.
No. Quarter, as I explained you, what do you mean by the word quarter? Quarter means 1/4 of any number. And how you will find 1/4 of any number? 60 minutes in 1 hour. When you divide it by 4, you will get 15 minutes. So quarter means here is the 15 minutes of your timing of 1 hour.
Ma'am, quarter past 10.
Quarter past 10. 10 से 15 minutes और आगे निकल गए हैं. 10 तो बज गए. 10 से और quarter minutes means और 15 minutes pass हो गए हैं. So how much time it is if you say quarter past 10?
Ma'am, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, there was quarter past 12.
Yeah, it was at 12:15. It was quarter past.
Yes, ma'am.
So quarter past 10 means 10 से भी आगे और 15 minutes निकल गए. So how I will show this on the clock? I will make the hour hand. Hour hand will be on which number then, students?
Ma'am, our end will be on 10.
And the minute hand will be on
3.
3.
Ma'am, 3.
Wait, I'm moving it. It will take little time. Can you all see? Yes. So this we call it as the 10 o'clock. Or 10 o'clock, say when it is moving 15 minutes, when it is coming on 3, this time is called, in mathematical terms, it is called as, we can call it as 10:15 also, but in mathematical term we can call it as quarter past 10. We can call 10:15 also, and we can call it as quarter past 10. Now, when it is coming, the long hand is coming on 6, we can call it as half past 10. And we can call it as 10:30 also. We can call it as 10:30 also and half past 10 also. Nishwa, why are we calling it half past 10?
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am,
Let Nishwa explain first. Nishwa, why we are calling it half past 10?
because the clock is there na, it's 6 o'clock is the half.
6 o'clock it is showing.
No.
Number 6 is the
half.
half of, yeah. Total, when the long hand will come on 12, it's 60 minutes. And the half of 60 is 30 minutes. So when the long hand is on 30 minutes, we can call it as half past also. So half past 10. Now, when the long hand is on 9, अब 11 बजने वाले हैं. So now we can say quarter to 11. 15 minutes are there in the 11? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
The
Yes,
time is 10:45. The timing is 10:45. And 10:45 we can write it in mathematical terms as the quarter to 11. Quarter to 11. Quarter to 11 means 11 बजने में और 15 minutes हैं. So automatically when you use this language, quarter to 11, everyone can understand means अभी 15 minutes हैं. Yes. So there are 3 different mathematical terms of reading the time, but another, like अगर ये इस पे आ गई, for example, the long hand is on 10. Now you can easily say there is 10 minutes less to 11. Yes or no? 10 minutes to 11. But now it is what time it is showing, Arth Gujarati? What time my clock is showing? Arth, can you give me what time it is showing? Taking too much time.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Pragyan, now what time it is showing? You need to give me in the mathematical terms. What time it is showing? Pragyan.
Like this is 30.
Mohammad Momin.
Ma'am, 11:15.
Yes, ma'am.
11:15 is the
Quarter
easy
past 10.
Yes.
Ma'am, 11:15.
11:15 is
Quarter past 11.
Quarter past 11.
Quarter past 11.
don't shout.
11 o'clock
Don't
and
shout.
quarter past.
Be
11
quiet.
o'clock and quarter past.
We
Ma'am,
can
it is
call it.
same time.
11:15.
I know. Wait a minute.
11:15.
We can call it as
Quarter past.
11:15 and we can call it as quarter past 11 also. And now it is half past 11 and now it is quarter to 12. Quarter to 12. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on this. So please do this and then again we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.